The process planning is actually one of the activities in the manufacturing engineer where you define the tasks that you need to follow to produce parts or product. That's what we call process planning. It's the core, of course. After the M-bombs has been defined, now you need to say, the M-bomb give you the material, the list of the part that you need to do to put together to get your product. The process planning is going to allow you to define how you do, you're going to produce those parts, how you're going to assemble them, the task by task, the recipe of how you put the part together. With Windchill MPM Link, what we allow you to have is to have that activity of process planning to actually also be concurrent to the design. As the design is doing its idea, you can start doing as well your process planning. And we can leverage the 3D. Leveraging the 3D is one important thing, because what I think as Steve Virtual, you can optimize your process because you can see the product part. You can apply some validation from a simulation point of view. You can look, can a human do the task that I want to do? Is he going to do comfortably? You can also validate those. Did you have enough time to do it? Did I balance my line? So you don't want to discover how you put things together on a shop floor. It's very costly. So let's do that when everything is still virtual, so you can understand how you're going to put the product. And specifically for our customer who have a lot of configuration, where we're going from one product to the other on the shop floor, it's completely another product. And we see more and more of those in our customer base. You have to think about how you're going to produce these things and plan ahead of time. And doing the process planning in this 3D environment is one key element that can allow you to better come with a better process planning. When the manufacturing engineer is doing the process plan, of course, he usually go to the E-bomb, go from the E-bomb and define the group of parts that's how you're gonna organize the data through the M-bomb. Later on, he's going to define from the M-bomb link to the process plan that are going to define the recipe or how you put the part together. Through our associativity, which is really the digital thread, put in another say that we materialize in PLM, you will be able to have now a change impact analysis that is much, much powerful. It's not only from a manufacturing engineering, it's also from a design. So the design, when he's doing when he have a good idea, he will be able to understand what he's impacting downstream, because we have now those associativity to a digital thread from the E-bomb to the M-bomb to the process plan and to the instructions, by the way, that goes with this process plan. So all those associativity is one of the powerful concept that we bring with bringing the manufacturing engineer on a PLM aspect.